this adorable cat murdered over 2,000 sailors. It started on the Bismarck, the pride of Hitler's navy. When the ship was destroyed, over 2,000 men went down with it. Hours later, British destroyers found only one survivor floating in the freezing water. A black and white cat. The British named him Oscar and took him aboard the HMS Cossack. But they didn't realize they had just rescued a curse. 5 months later, a torpedo blows the Cossack apart. 159 men die. The cat, he swims away without a single scratch. Now nicknamed Unsinkable Sam, he was transferred to the massive aircraft carrier Ark Royal. 3 weeks later, that sank too. Rescuers found Sam clinging to a plank, described in the official military report as angry but quite unharmed. The Navy finally realized he was bad luck. He was banned from the sea and retired to a sailor's home in Belfast. Follow for more hidden history the textbooks left out.